Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HashSet class of Java collection framework. HashSet class implements set interface and it internally uses hashmap. In hashmap, there is a concept of hashcode. Every value has a hashcode and hashcodes are unique in general. As you could see in this example, the corresponding hashcode of Rohit, Ajit, Manoj and 1000. In hashmap, key is the corresponding hashcode of the value. As HashSet internally uses hashmap, so adding, removing and search operations are faster in HashSet. We could create an instance of HashSet like this. HashSet do not maintain the insertion order and it do not allow duplicate elements. We could use size method to know the size of the HashSet. Using isEmpty method, we could know whether the HashSet is empty or not. Using remove method, we could remove an element from the HashSet. Using contains method, we could check if a particular value is present or not in the HashSet. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.